Kung naghahanap ka ng murang rent-to-own condo for only 10,000 to 25,000 cash out only, baka ito na hinahanap mo na 2-bedroom unit na condominium dito sa Ortigas Extension, Pasig. As you can see, itong 2 rooms at ito na naman yung living area. Ito naman yung bathroom and yung ating kitchen area. So ganito yung turnover unit ng ating 10,000 to 25,000 cash out only. So ibig sabihin, napakaluwag niya, napakagandang na ng turnover niya kasi gamit mo na lang yung kulang, pwedeng mo na siyang malipatan. So ganito yung magiging itsura niya kapag pinaganda mo yung 2-bedroom unit mo. For only 18,000 to 25,000 pesos per month, pwede ka nang makalipat dito within 30 to 90 days housing approval ng loan mo. Imbis na magrenta ka, pwede ka nang kumuha ng sarili mong condominium unit, lifetime ownership pa at alam mong mapapasayo. Follow me and message me kung interested ka sa 10,000 to 25,000 cash out only promo natin na walang ilalabas na equity or spot down payment. Message me and follow me.